Hello, welcome back. This is Janice, and today I will be making egg muffins. For this recipe, you will need just a couple of ingredients. For this recipe, you will need English muffins, an egg, cheese, and a sausage. Okay, so now we are going to start cooking the egg. So I would put just a little bit of olive oil in my pan. And then you will put it on low-medium heat. While that is warming up, then I'll get a spoon and I'll whisk the egg till it gets all nice and yellow and smooth texture. Once the egg is all mixed, and then I will put it into my pan and just let it cook very slowly until it's done. So now while the egg is cooking, you can also cook the sausage as well. While the egg and the sausage is cooking, I will toast my muffins in the toaster. Okay, so now we have the egg cooked, we have the sausage cooked, we have our English muffins toasted, and now we are going to proceed and put it all together. So the first thing is we are going to put the egg on our muffin. We put the one slice of cheese. Then the next thing would be to put the sausage on top of the cheese. You get the other slice of muffin. And there is your English muffin all ready to be served. Well, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you will like my egg muffins. If you like my egg muffins, please subscribe and leave a comment.